Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys Wi-Fi network connect setting. How to connect, how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi network, you want to join any Wi-Fi network with QR code. So how to join Wi-Fi network one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Let's open your phone setting. After on phone setting, click here friends Wi-Fi setting and turn on Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi guys, refresh your Lava mobile Wi-Fi setting. After refresh guys, scroll it. As you can see scanner icon, click here and guys which one you have connected Wi-Fi to guys, open Wi-Fi setting. So when this one I have connected one network. So friends, click here tap to share password, and friends on your Lava mobile you will have to scan QR code. So friends, scan QR code. After scan QR code, friends, automatic Wi-Fi network will connect on your Lava mobile without entering any password. And like that, friends, you can join, you can connect Wi-Fi network with QR code, and you can use. For example, friends, I will on YouTube app. So like that, friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting. We can connect Wi-Fi network. After connect, we can use it. And friends, you want to forget, so friends you can forget this Wi-Fi network. After forget you cannot use, again click a scanner, scan QR code, and friends you can join Wi-Fi network without enter any password. So like that friends, we can connect, we can use Wi-Fi network connect setting with QR code in Lava mobile. And friends, you have any problem, so friends you can reset your Wi-Fi setting. Click here reset option, and friends reset Wi-Fi setting. After reset guys, you can connect any network without any problem. So bye friends, thanks for watching.